Hey there, welcome back to my channel, it's me the Mind Injector. In this video we're delving deep into the world of Palantir, unraveling recent developments, groundbreaking partnerships, and forecasting what lies ahead. Before we dive into the intricate details, let me hit you with a question. Can artificial intelligence and big data analytics hold the key to saving our planet? Stick around to find out and also understand why Friday is said to be a decisive day for Palantir's future. Now, let's dissect the Palantir and Plaskred Circular Innovations partnership. It's not just about the nuances of share prices slipping or rising. It's about understanding the monumental impact this collaboration could have over the long run. The essence of this partnership revolves around the amalgamation of artificial intelligence into the core of Plaskred's environmental initiatives. According to a recent press release, Palantir and Plaskred announced a strategic collaboration that could reshape how we handle plastic waste. It's not just a theoretical agreement, it's a tangible step towards integrating advanced AI technology into Plaskred's operations. Palantir's digital intelligence is set to revolutionize the way Plaskred manages its supply chain logistics for plastic waste feedstock and optimize overall operations. But why should investors care? This partnership isn't a mere showcase of tech capabilities. It's a beta test with real-world implications. Palantir's Foundry and artificial intelligence platforms are set to be deployed at Plaskred's patent-pending Primus plant. These beta tests aim to showcase Palantir's prowess in optimizing operational efficiency, resource management, and decision-making processes. The success of this test could significantly impact the design and development of Plaskred's upcoming Maximus facility. Let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. While the market might not be buzzing about it right now, this partnership holds potential for long-term gains. Forget the usual AI talk. We're talking about Palantir expanding its digital intelligence into sectors like plastic recycling. Do you know that the global plastic recycling market reached a valuation of $27.9 billion in 2021? Moreover, experts predict that by 2031, the segment will expand at a CAGR of 8.7% from 2022. Potentially reaching a market value of $61 billion. Here's where it gets interesting. According to data from North Carolina State University, US residents generate more than 290 million tons of municipal solid waste each year. Now, while some of these waste products are recycled, nearly half end up in landfills. But the tide is turning. With the deployment of AI, specifically machine learning, researchers are exploring mechanisms to integrate traditionally non-recyclable waste into renewable products, energy, and fuel. While that effort differs slightly from plastic upcycling specifically, the relevance for Palantir stock is the same, using AI to meet environmental goals. The significance goes beyond the immediate impact on Palantir stock. This move aligns with global efforts to leverage technology to address environmental challenges. Palantir's entry into the plastic recycling narrative positions the company not just as a tech giant, but as a contributor to solving global issues. This is the kind of initiative that could resonate with conscious investors looking for companies that go beyond profits and contribute to a sustainable future. Now, let's shift gears to another critical aspect. Friday is set to be a pivotal day for Palantir. Why? Because its $458 million contract with the US Army for the Army Vantage program is up for renewal. The Army Vantage program revolves around Palantir's data-driven operations and decision-making platform. But here's the twist. There's a strong possibility the new contract might be less than the initial $458 million agreement. The uncertainty stems from recent comments made by the US Army's project manager, hinting at potential conflicts over data ownership and the desire to shift from a sole source vendor to a multi-vendor architecture. This could mean Palantir might not be the sole recipient of the contract this time. For investors, this translates to a cautious stance. Palantir's run rate might take a hit, and the revenue dynamics might not align with the initial projections. While this introduces an element of unpredictability, it also reflects the evolving nature of government contracts. The move towards a multi-vendor architecture aligns with broader industry trends, emphasizing the importance of flexibility and adaptability in the tech landscape. But wait, there's more. Palantir is not just making waves in environmental initiatives and government contracts. It's also securing long-term partnerships in the financial sector. UniCredit, a major player, has renewed its partnership with Palantir for another 5 years. This isn't just about tech jargon. It's about UniCredit using Palantir's Foundry operating system to enhance its digital transformation. Investors will note that Palantir and UniCredit first started working together in 2018. Over those 5 years, UniCredit saw significant benefits from the Palantir Foundry operating system. That even resulted in it expanding the use of the technology to all CE and EE UniCredit legal entities. Why does this matter? It's a testament to Palantir's ability to deliver tangible value to top financial institutions, showcasing its role as a catalyst for digital transformation in the financial sector. The partnership renewal comes at a time when digital transformation in the financial industry is more critical than ever. The financial landscape is evolving rapidly, with technology playing a pivotal role in shaping the future. Palantir's Foundry operating system is not just a tech solution. It's a strategic tool for financial institutions navigating the complexities of the digital era. Before we get into the exciting details, let me introduce you to Moomoo Financial. If you open a brokerage account with Moomoo and deposit at least $1 using the link in the description, you'll get a chance to draw a free stock worth up to $2,000. But that's not all. If you make a net deposit of $100 or more, you'll receive not just one, but 5 free stocks worth up to $2,000 each. And if you're really serious about investing, you can deposit $1,000 or more and get a whopping 15 free stocks, bringing your potential earnings to a staggering $30,000. So, sign up now using the link in the description and get those free stocks. Now, let's get back to the video. While Palantir's narrative is compelling, it's essential to gauge investor sentiment. Some analysts are cautiously optimistic, with a consensus hold view. It's a mix of buys, holds, and sells, with an average price target of $14.67, suggesting a potential downside. Investors should also keep an eye on the risk factors. Palantir's impressive year-to-date rally raises the likelihood of a correction. The volatile macro environment, coupled with uncertainties around federal funds rates, adds an element of caution. The evolving tech landscape poses a challenge. Palantir's ability to sustain growth amid intense competition remains uncertain. Now, let's talk numbers. Palantir's recent quarterly earnings showcased a 17% year-over-year increase in revenue and a 7-fold surge in adjusted EPS, a robust gross margin exceeding 80%, and improved operating margins solidify its financial position. With over $3 billion in cash and minimal leverage, Palantir is well positioned to fuel innovation and growth. Looking ahead, the forecasted first quarter 2024 revenue of $603 million suggests an 18.7% year-over-year growth. 9 upward EPS revisions in the last 90 days signal optimism. Palantir's success in adapting to technological shifts positions it to capitalize on the booming AI industry. But let's not get lost in the numbers. Behind the financial metrics lies a fundamental truth. A healthy balance sheet indicates not just financial stability, but also the management's commitment to sound capital allocation. Palantir's robust balance sheet isn't just a number on a report. It's the foundation for continued innovation and long-term shareholder value. To sum it up, Palantir's journey is more than just stock movements. It's about pioneering AI into environmental initiatives, navigating critical contract renewals, and maintaining financial resilience. As we look ahead, Palantir's ability to balance growth with risk mitigation will define its trajectory. As an investor, stay informed, stay cautious, and remember, the real value lies not just in the stocks, but in the transformative impact Palantir could have on the world. This is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below.